draw Rusty.
Hi friends, we're going to start drawing Rusty today, who is Bluey's friend from the bush. So we're going to start with his ears at the top of his head. So make a slant line and then a straight line down. I'm going to go slightly, make slant line slightly longer than this line, and then make a curve over there for the eyebrow. He has thick eyebrows. Make curves on either side of that eyebrow and then finish it by redoing the shape. Good job. I'm going to make a horizontal line touching the eyebrow with a curve for his head. And then we're going to continue with that line, which is a very short line, and then again start the other eyebrow for his other eye, so above his other eye. So again, same thing, two curved lines and join them with a curve to finish making the eyebrow. Very slight curves. We're going to start with his other ear, so we're going to go again the same slant line, so match this ear. And then we're going to go all the way straight down. Going to finish with two triangles inside, following the same shape. So make sure you make a triangle inside of the same shape. We're going to continue down his back of his head with a straight vertical line. And in front of under his eyebrow, we're going to again do a short vertical line. Then we're going to make a horizontal line for his nose. So now watch how I make that. Touching this vertical line. And then we're going to try and make his nose, which is like shaped like a triangle.
Like all of the Bluey friends.
Yeah. But they're going to be like curved on the edges. And then make a spot in there for him. We're going to make his mouth now. So starting from the side of his nose, we're going to go inwards to his mouth with a curve and upwards. It's a tricky one. Good job. And then make a smile. Rusty is smiling.
Happy.
Yeah, now exactly underneath this line that we had over his nose, we're going to make another straight line for his body, okay? So make sure you match that.
No bigger than this line.
Yes. And now we're going to make his hands. He has very thin hands. So we're going to make a V, but a sideways V. So watch and how it curves. So make a V, like a mountain. Yeah. And we are going to make another line parallel to that. And then,
A slant one.
yeah, and then we're going to make a V shape for his inside, for the inside of his arm. We're going to make his fingers now. So watch how I make his fingers and how they curve. So we're going to make one fluffy cloud. And then another fluffy cloud. And then make one more and finish his fingers or paws. And then same thing as the top of this head. We're going to continue with his back. So make sure you join and align that line. And curve it under his body on either side. And then draw a horizontal line to finish his body.
Horizontal means straight.
Yes, we're going to make Rusty's other arm as well. So it's going to be, we can't see the full arm, so we're just going to make a mountain. So he has like two straight vertical lines and one more set of vertical lines under his body. Make sure one of the lines is longer than the other, the ones on the left hand side. And then we're going to curve it, and then we're going to curve it back in to we're gonna finish his legs. And we're going to make his paws. So watch how I make the paws. 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
We're going to make his tail. He also has a slightly fluffy tail. So we're going to go turning it, making an upwards U. Just a short one. And then we're going to follow it up with one more big U. And then we're going to make fluffy clouds again. 1 fluff. And a 2 fluff and a 3 fluff. So that's Rusty's tail pointing upwards.
We are missing his one thing, his eyes.
Yes. Now we're going to finish his face with his really nice and big eyes. So we're going to make the first eye, which is sitting behind his nose, as a semicircle.
Like socks.
And then we're going to make his eyeballs, which are also semicircle. We're going to make one more big eye of his. Now watch how I make this eye. It's going to sit right underneath his eyebrow. And it's going to be a slight oval shape, but a nice big one. And I'm going to make his eyeballs inside. We finished Rusty. That was a quick one. And we're going to now start.
Like socks.
Yes. And we're now going to start coloring him, and we're going to fast forward this bit, but you can always pause and watch the video.
That's for you, friends. Have a good day. See you next time for our next Learn to Draw.